How to change units on Google Maps. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between kilometers and miles on Google Maps using your iPhone or Android device. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open your Google Maps application. So here you'll be able to see a map. So you're going to choose a destination. For example, here is Iran. So I'm going to click on Iran and then I'm going to click on directions. And here you're going to choose a starting point. So I'm going to choose your location. And here you'll be able to see the exact kilometers. You'll be able to see the unit is kilometers because the unit in this country is kilometer. But however, if you choose a country that use miles instead of kilometers, you'll be able to see the unit be displayed in miles. So let's head over and choose a country that chooses miles. So over here, you're going to click on United States and then you're going to click on directions, click on choose starting point, click on choose and map and select any location, click on OK. And here you'll be able to see that the unit is of miles instead of kilometers. So it really depends on your location, that in which country you are residing in and what unit do they use. So that was basically how you can change units on Google Maps. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.